Hey guys, Andrew here at Pro Tour Fox on Instagram. Today I have a quick unboxing for you. I'm super excited that this is finally shown up. I tried to order these the first time they're on sale, and as you know, the low profile door handles from LMR, they sold out so fast, so I didn't get my hands on the first set, but now they're here, so I get to do a quick unboxing for you. All right, I haven't even opened it, so I didn't even take a sneak peek. So here we go, the LMR SVE low profile door handles. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. Nice foam padding to keep it protected. And there they are, man. They are brushed aluminum. These are beautiful, beautiful pieces. So as you guys know, if you're familiar with the Fox body hinges, the door handles, they are really flimsy and susceptible to all kinds of breaking. These are really nice, some really nice machined parts. So this is, I can tell, a machined billet aluminum piece. In the description, everything says that it's plated or stainless. So all this is going to be acceptable for exterior use on a vehicle. But these things are gorgeous. Beauties. And of course, everything you buy typically from LMR, if it's a kit, it's going to come with everything you need, and this is no exception. I love LMR specifically because their how-to videos are exceptional. So Landon and Jude, they do an insane job of putting together all of the how-to videos, and definitely check out the how-to video on these door handles. Landon does an awesome job explaining the install. They also go into depth on what is needed for the paint work involved if you guys decide to paint them. I am curious what they'd look like on a car as is, because these are gorgeous. I'm gonna paint them. So my car, of course, is an 86, and the trim, it's a black car with charcoal gray trim. On our car, also the door handles were charcoal gray. So I plan to paint these charcoal gray. Another added thing that I liked about this handle, so I don't know if you recall, on the Fox door handle, you really have to open it up. You have to lift it a lot to get the door to open. With these, there's adjustability with it, so you don't have to open it up near as far to open the car. So it's going to be a really nice added feature of my specific car, and I believe some of yours as well. But quick unboxing for you. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment on this video. Appreciate you guys. See me again on Instagram at Pro Tour Fox.